Hi, I'm Lucy, and in this video I'm going to show you a really easy calculator trick. When plotting graphs, we often have to create a table of values, like for quadratics and cubics. So here is a calculator trick that will really quickly and easily help you find the x and y values for the table of values with no risk of making mistakes. If you have a calculator that looks similar to this, click Mode, select 3, Table. Your calculator then displays f of x, or maybe it will say y equals. You can enter the equation here, but it will need to be rearranged to y equals first. You cannot enter 3y, for example. So let's enter y equals 3x minus 5. 3 alpha x minus 5. Enter. Let's start at -10 and end at 10, because that suits our graph. But you could have any starting and finishing x values. Step 1 means that we'll get every x value, -10, -9, -8, etc. But you can change this if you want. Step 2 just means you would get -10, -8, -6, etc. But I usually just keep it as step 1. So the calculator gives you a table that looks like this. X are the x values and f of x are the y values. So we have the coordinates -10, -35, -9, -32, -8, -29, and so on, all the way up to 10, 25. A great trick to know to save you time. Just remember that our equations need to be y equals. So for this equation, we'd have to divide everything by 2, and then we could enter y equals 3 over 2x plus 2 into our calculator. You can also enter a quadratic, cubic, or any equation and generate the table of values. You just need to make sure that the equation is rearranged to be y equals. When you're done with your table of values, to get your calculator back to normal, click Mode and then 1 Comp. So that's how you use your calculator to find the table of values.